What's up, kabaddies?
Today we are gonna unbox My Melody School Supplies and Zia Cinnamon School Supplies.
So today, mag-unbox tayo ng kanilang mga school supplies para ma-ROI yung mga ginasto ko dito. Para lang ma-share sa inyo yung mga gamit nila. So ito yung kay ate na school bag. Tingnan niya, ganda ng school bag niya guys. So, My Melody. Ang ganda nito. Nabili ko siya online, mura lang. Marami siyang compartments, kaya ano talaga, sulit talaga siya. Maraming malalagay sa ano niya, sa mga stuff niya. Meron siyang reflective din, oh. So, kapag gabi, makikita siya kapag naglalakad, kung sakaling gabihin siya. Very, ano siya, spacious yung loob niya. Kay Zio naman, ito naman siya. Small lang kay Zio. Ano yung bag mo, Zio? What's this? Ano to?
Spider.
Spider-Man. You like Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Ano naman to sa SM naman to nabili. Medyo pricey siya. Kasi ano talaga siya, Marvel talaga siya na
Oh, I
product.
love Marvel.
Next naman is pencil case. So, maganda oh.
It has many compartments.
Oh, sharpener. Tapos yung pangalawa. Oh, sa
Secret.
gilid. Ano yan? Oh, may password pa siya.
Tell you? Or ito.
Wow! Oh, di ba? May password siya.
Press it.
Oh, meron pa dito maliit para sa eraser. Tsaka ito yung unbox natin yung nabili ko online. Ang ganda niya guys. Kasi ito, tingnan niya.
Is it for me? Wait.
Look. So, ito guys. Customize siya na Mongol 2. Ayan. May pangalan nila yan, di ba? Kasi yung mga lapis nila laging nawawala, laging nauubos. Ayan, nilagyan ko na ng pangalan para kung sakali accidentally naman mauwi ng mga classmate nila, at least makikita ng parents na ayun, may name yung pencil nila. O, di ba? Mura lang to siya, guys. Nabili ko online. Yung ano niya, yung naging total ng etong 24 pieces is nasa 12 pesos yung isa. So, nakamura talaga ako kasi siguro timing na sale ko siya nakuha. Ayan o.
Is this mine?
Tingnan talaga kung madula, pagidne. Tignan na lang talaga natin Pag naubos pa talaga to. Ito, 12 pieces na to, pang 12 months na. Ito naman natin yung crayon, mapakita mo yung binili natin. Ayan, ginbay ni Dada yan sa online din. Ito, ano to siya? Washable na crayon. Diba? Ay, sorry. Mura lang to siya nabili na Dada. Mga magkano nga to, Da? 300 pala guys. Joke lang, hindi pala siya mura guys. So, medyo mahaba naman. Ayan, humahaba siya ng gano'n. Sandali, kasi ginapakita nga ni.
Ay, hindi maghaba, malayo.
Hindi masyado ko na maghaba. Kay maano sa
Bali.
mabali.
Zio did it.
Ay, pila may ginbali na sa.
No.
Okay,
He
next.
only... Go na! Ow, you're mean.
Ito naman, yung kanilang utensil.
Mama, look at the fork. It's so confusing. What? Look at this thing.
Kuro.
Look at the spoon. It's so clean, bruh. Look at this spoon. Guys, it's so confusing. It's like,
Wa
look at my one.
Say, yung pumpo lang dabi. Ang kamera, ginatakpan. O, ano?
My one.
Why is like this?
Look at the spoon.
Bakit kuro-kuro?
Oh, look at this one. This one is sad. Do you see this fork? It's so
Ayan.
like this, but it's so confusing.
Ito naman,
My sticker.
stickers ni ate.
Ugly.
Slipper ni Zio. This is guys.
It's for you.
Bakit ko, Romy? Yan, ganda oh. Wow. This is Zio's shoes.
Hello guys, these are my shoes. They look so cool. I would actually wear that for church.
Next.
Water bottle.
Water
Oh my gosh,
bottle.
what's inside? What's this?
Pang 20 na water bottle na namin to.
What is this?
Nawawala. Ay, hindi naman nawawala. Nasisira pala siya.
Wow, look at it, guys. It's so pretty. I want to take this one.
Yay! Next.
Hurry
Yes.
up.
Okay.
Wow. I got
Okay.
it.
What's that, ate? Ano
And it
siya?
has, it's the same as mine. Shape. Maganda ito. Is it Mora?
Yeah, mura lang siya.
Wait,
Meron
wait,
pa
wait.
siyang sharpener, tsaka eraser and pencil case. Ang dami ng pencil case ni ate. Ito naman, notebooks. Plain lang.
Let's go, guys.
And then, for ate.
It's so pretty.
Ito naman naman yung mga note, mga ano lang nila. Siguro talaga yan ang mga files nila sa school. So, required ka sa school
Look,
nila.
guys, look at it! It looks so
Wow.
weird.
Show mo dun, show mo dun.
Look at it, guys. It's so cute, my little baby. Okay, let's try it on. Where do we on it? Here, you want me?
Ay, what talaga?
She can stand.
Look it.
She's already
Make
clicked
it more. It's three levels. Wow.
What's that? Ooh! Oh my gosh, I've been dreaming for this all the time.
Ginanawa rin ko na sila guys ng wipes kasi ano, para may pang-wipe sila sa
Hey, Mama,
school.
I-
Water. Ito yung clay. And
Where do I
then,
like this?
watercolor. Project si Sian na. Ito naman yung ano yung sticker ni ate. Diba? Cute siya.
Why is it closed?
See, put it.
See, why do you put it? Guys, look at this. I have
Lagay
one
ng ID. Kung merong ID. Kung wala pang ID, name tag na lang ilalagay. The name tag lang ilalagay nila kasi wala silang ID sa school yata. Wala pang ID. So, name tag na lang. Nandito tayong scissors, tunting.
And also a lot of
Ayan.
paper.
A lot of
Paper
that.
is made of trees.
Tinala ko rin pala sila guys ng para sa alcohol. Dami kumakalat ng mga virus ngayon so dapat yung mga anak natin safe sila lagi. So, ayan. Mga abubots ni ate. Ang daming abubots. Puro melody tanan na nga. Ayan.
Tita yan gave this to me.
Kita yan, Jeb.
My
Ba,
bad.
para pag-edit mo na yung melody.
There's still more! There's still
Baka
more!
naman Melody Sanrio. Sponsor dyan. Charis.
Another one! I'm addict.
Thank you guys for watching our unboxing video.
Guys, if you see more videos, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one.
Ano ba si ate?
Guys, please like our video and thank you for all the support you gave us.
Bye-bye. Please watch, comment, like, and share.
Yeah.
Happy back to school.
Happy back to school!